think that this is very, very important to the test, to the mind. Because if you try to understand why people pursue certain things, why people strive or struggle to achieve certain goals, or why some people consider certain things more important than others. If you really analyze the situation, you'll discover that it boils down to their basic mindset or basic value orientation. A mindset simply a frame of reference. A way of looking at the world. How you see the world, how you see yourself, how you look at life, will determine how you behave. You see the world as a nasty place, then you want to be happy. So the basic life value, the basic mindset. Not so long ago, I was talking to a client, a young man, 29 years old. So he was very happy with himself. Depressed, confused, not knowing where we're going. So I just asked him, I said, what do you want in your life? What's my friend? Everyone wants something in life, right? I said, what do you want? He said, well, I want to get a PhD program. What my part is not that good. I want to improve my GPA. That will take me 2 years. I'm almost 30. I can spend all my life. So he went to him, success means getting PhD. And he also wants to make a lot of money, and of course, try to find a wife. And no, there's nothing wrong with that. But because he was not able to meet those three goals, like PhD, money, and lovely woman. So he depressed. Now, so I asked him, I said, if there's anything more you want other than just me, get PhD, get money, get a woman, you know, is there anything else you want? He can't do anything else. You know why? Because he had the same mindset as most people, that is, life is what I can get out of life, what I get out of this world, right? Franco said, do not ask what you can get out of this world, but ask how much you can give yourself. So we don't know what that. So I'm open to you, I'm Franco. There are two basic life orientations. One is success based. If your life goal is personal success and happiness, you'll be different. You know why? Even you achieve everything you want, fame, beautiful woman, PhD, at the end, you will still not be satisfied. But that's your nature. Always like more. So the path to success eventually to dissolution. Because you can never satisfy the heart desire. Also, downside, another downside is that for every winner, there are many losers. Now, I've begun to several interviews, with TV, with radio, asking us, what makes this smart young man commit this horrible shooting event, a mass shooting. How he seems to be intelligent and top student, top to family. What made him do that? So I don't know very much what the information of this guy. But my hunch, okay? I hope eventually it's be right, okay? My hunch is that he thought it was fine undergrad, but when I go to an elite graduate program, it might not be so fine, right? I have a friend, his daughter is #1 in algebra in high school, went to Harvard, #1. So she killed herself. Because she cannot accept failure. Some man might be killing other people, right? Trying to kill himself, kill other people. So I suspect there's some setback. I learned it on he hooked up with his girlfriend. He might have failed his neuroscience course, got kicked out, asked to withdraw. And if people want to see what success, they do not know how to handle failure. When they cannot handle failure, they'll be miserable. So often you see clients, have a poor self-concept, and feel miserable simply because they cannot achieve success. Especially when immigrants. You obviously Chinese doctors and professors came to Canada because the language problem, right? So they're handicapped. They're underemployed or unemployed. So if success is what they want, they feel miserable.